Hello everyone, welcome to my video One Candle One Day. This is MG from Homilychart. So this video is to pick up a share that you asked me most recently, and I will give some updates to this share if necessary, and also I will share more details on the technical analysis side. Okay, so hope you will know better the trend and of the share and also know the practical trading method of this share after watching my video. Okay, and at the same time, if you have full stocks you want to check out, you can also leave the comment. Okay, leave in the comment below the video, and I will check out. Okay, for you. Today we're gonna share this post Malaysia 4634. Actually, why I share this one few investor and also include one member say that these 2 days it just shoot up. Seems no reason. There's no idea what happened to this share, and he replied me that he start to make gloves. Okay, so I was a little bit busy at that time, but later on I realized that he's kind of joking because you see recently all the shoot up shares is start to make gloves and the vaccines. Okay, so I think I'm a little bit okay flattered. Okay, so but no problem, as I already replied and promised that I will record this video. So no problem, we just have a look. And also I find out that still have some investor invest this share, so here's my sharing of the share. Okay, so let's take a look about the screen. Okay, about the screen. So topic is okay, sudden price can buy or not. So means that still already have some members or have some investors have bought these shares. Some of them also get stuck in high area. Okay, and the second thing is don't know what reason, don't know what happened, and then it just shoot up. Although only 35%, maybe 2 days, in 2 days or 3 days, not so big one, but it's a shoot up. And the second thing is that the third thing is that this share is belongs to, also have quarterly report very soon this month around 25th. Okay, so they also rely on this financial reports. So no problem, I can share with you. Okay, what kind of the share which in certain price up can buy? Okay, this is also a topic for you, no problem. And you know that this video is beautiful study and discussion, so any direct or indirect loss or suffer by any person as a result of reliance on this video shall not be responsible. Okay, we know that this share is kind of for logistic company, and we know that actually during this MCO or this CMCO, um, it is performance is not so good, right? And but it still benefit. It's kind of a benefit about this one, but of course they reduce a lot of business have been reduced, but they have announced that they will start to do more do more e-commerce and to fill this transformation plan or something like that. But the more important thing is that he will start to do some e-commerce and already doing like that. Second, and also his he will be benefit a lot after the pandemic finished. Agree or not? The similar chart, the similar companies, GDEX, Nationwide, and Xinhua, right? Xinhua. So you can just compare together. If this sector, the logistic sector, have a good performance, then they are one of the important, or they are leading one, right? The leading one. But how about this post? Okay, we can take a look about the chart first. Okay, I say that Homily offer more 70% of the technical analysis. Okay, sharing. So we take a look for long term first. Okay, long term first, short term next. So this is the chart of their posts in half yearly chart. We start from the long term. And we can see half yearly chart means that one candle is a half year. Means 6 months. Okay, one candle 6 months. And we have drawn the white line as a long-term trend. And then we have another corrected uptrend line, the gray line as the corrected uptrend line. So in this month already, this half year already break down. So it have break down the uptrend long time ago. Break down the long time ago, and now it just come to this correction to the 50%. So you see at the dotted line, there are 3 dotted line here. The middle one is 50% from the high price to low price. So it's a very important support resistance to these shares. But after we analyze this share, we know that the 1/4 area actually is a very strong support resistance. You see before, because the price meet a few resistance by this share and also got few support by this one. But no problem, the 50%, uh, the middle dotted line is still very important for us. But we can see the reason why it go in uptrend for so long time. We need to combine with this, the funds is very important, right? The red chips is the banker chips, is the sharp of this share. Before, when the price going up, have sharks push it up. No sharks, no market maker, then no uptrend. So this is a very special indicator of a Homely software. Always remember to use the MCD, multi-color dragon, to double confirm your shares can continue up or just sudden price up and finished. If as long as banker chips inside, your shares can continue up, because bankers, they are initiative in the market. They want to push it up, then it's not for short term, because they have a big amount of money, big amount of capital, and the big volume inside. If you don't want to enter or exit from the market from this share, it generally takes a little bit while, so it's kindly not for short term. If you have followed them, then you will make stable profit for a while. It's not just a sudden profit. But of course, some of you want like sudden profit, also no problem. We still have some method later gonna share with you. Now we need to check whether we have continuous trends for us or not. Before have the post Malaysia before have, but after here you already break down. Okay, break down. So 3 years ago, right? 3 years ago. And at the same time, we can see banker chips just decrease at that time. Okay, at that time. And we can see in the long time, the trend is one thing. And then we also confirm the banker chips keep decreasing. Now it's only 10%. Got 63% of retailers. The green retailer, green is retailer who lose money. If you get caught in the top area by accident, then you are one of the green chips. Okay. And then very less banker chips inside haven't took the profit yet. And now we see the support resistance. So after you break, now the price gets support by their 50% support. Okay, the middle dotted line. The middle dotted line price is here already marked here, 80 cents. So I also mark here 80 cents. So it touched, but it covered back. Okay, it bounced back with a strong momentum. Currently very slightly bounce back, still with a negative candle this half year. But we can see from long run, we can set the resistance and the support, the resistance as the half price of this negative candle. The price is around 1.18. Please remember this price later on we still need to use. Second thing is that the support area is 80 cents. Okay, 80 cents. If we can get support by this area, you still have a chance to another wave, right? But how about now? Is it get the real chance or not? Okay, so we can see they are a little bit short term, trend. So this is the one multicolor dragon help you make the one. make a continuous money. This is daily chart. Daily chart shows that I put this homely rainbow here because trend is also always very important for us. And in the daily chart, you can use this homely rainbow to track different period of movement of the shares, because you need to know what kind of trading cycle you are trading. Then you know where is your safe area. The posts are so during this MCO have a good uptrend, right? Have good rally with double confirm with the banker chips pushed up, right? And the same time, and we can see 50% of bankers is this area. So during March to May, the banker chips control for 1 year is kind of a medium term. Okay, kind of a medium term. So it's kind of a good one. But finally, it cannot break up the white line. White line is boundary between the bull and the bear. So if you're a long time investor, some of you say that you're value investor, then here is a very important standard for you. You only trade with the price standing above the white line. It's more safe for you. All the profits below the white line, you just ignore it. If you're a long-term investor, but short-term, of course, you can try this rebound, try this bounce back. Recently, 3 days have 35%. It's really is really attractive. Okay, really attractive, especially for those people who have been stuck before. But you see, you also get stuck. You also get resistant by the white line. I marked the first line of the white line and the top line of the white line. The price is 101 and 110. Okay, 110 cents. Currently, the price is 39 cents. Okay, here is the close price of the current today. Today is October 22nd. So you can see, this is the one. So it haven't break out yet. So only for short term. At the same time, we see a whole stroke of the short term. Let's double confirm with the banker chips. Banker chips only 8%. And the good thing is that retailer chips are reduced to 23%. Before is more than 90%, right? These 2 days it reduced to 23%. Most of them is yellow chips. Yellow chips is speculator, very hot money, very fast money. You need to be careful. So you know that your strategy should be only short term only, short term only. But no means that it will not have longer time chance. If you do longer term, you can wait until you break up the white line. And also, if you really want this profit, you can build very small portion. For example, 1/3 portion here. Buy small. Okay, buy small here, no problem. If we can break up, add more portion. If we cannot break out, just take a profit as a short term. So this is the one you can do short term. Okay, will it continue up or not? I can only say that the chance, okay, is not so stable now. You can do short term, and you can only trade. You can only enter and exit in daily chart. Okay, sorry, in mini chart. So I put the hourly chart here. So you can see hourly chart. The price also going sideways now. We take a look about this trend expert. When the trend expert is red color, you just hold the share. When it turns to green color, you just keep the cash as short term. So you find the first green is sell point, and the first red is a buy point. But so far you can see the bar is very small, means momentum. It lose momentum in uptrend or downtrend, because you know it have get support, resistant by the white line. That's why you just have a strong pressure here. So you just go sideways here. If you have it already short term, no problem, you can sell it because already turned to green. But later on, if the green turns to red, you can buy it back again. Okay, because till this resistance, you still have 10 cents, right? You still have 7 cents, 10 cents. If together with this 110, you have 17 cents profit as short term. Okay, as short term profit space. So that's not bad if you think it's okay for you. But if you think 70 cents is too small for me, I just give up. Okay, no problem. I just wait the price break out this 110, then I consider. After the price break out to 110, the next support resistance is the previous high. Previous high is 118. Do you still remember the 118? The 118 is the previous high point and is also the long-term resistance. Half price of this negative candle, you see, 118. Okay, it's the same one. So you know where is your support and then where is the resistance. It's very important. I already see here. And always remember to use the banker chips to double confirm with you. Okay, that is the practical um uh analysis for you about this post Malaysia. But one thing we need to consider we need to consider is that what kind of a boom share is worth chasing? What kind of a shoot up share? What kind of boom is worth chasing? So when you ask this one, if you have bought the share recent 2 days, I think you are the investor who want to get the shoot up share because you want to make the fast money. And if you want to make the fast money, you are one of their speculator. It's just like the wolf here, okay? The wolf in this fund size is the hot money. Hot money is a fast speculator. The characteristic of this speculator is that very fast, very accurate, and very aggressive. If you're not kind of this, if you're not type of this person, you just can give it up, okay? We need to suitable investor trade the suitable share. If you're not kind of this speculator, then you just give up. So, okay, this is a psychology level. Okay, if you want to trade this one, high frequency trading is your method. Better just buy in, or the buy low, sell high. If you don't know the rhythm, it's very hard for us to do. But before the buy low, sell high, the filtering is very important. Now I'm gonna share you what kind of the boon is more reliable. Okay, it's not so aggressive because you want to make fast money, you also want to be safe, right? Sometimes it's more challenging. If you get prepared, you have the method, still can, no problem. Just afraid of those investor just rush in, just follow others without doing any homework. It's very aggressive one. It's just like a gamble. Now you will listen my video, then you are the one, the right investor, more rational because you know need to do some preparation, right? First thing, we can also find the boom share in safe uptrend. Some of you maybe think I only choose the bottom up share, haven't boom up yet. But I can share you okay, here is not recommend shares. I just want to share you the method. So you see this share before 7 days, 44%, even higher than post. Here 3 days, 55% is both of these two waves is shoot up, right? Shoot up. But you can see they happen in uptrend. Okay, compared to post is happen in downtrend. Okay, happen in downtrend because it's below the white line, right? So it's downtrend. It's kind of a bounce back. It's rebound chance. But this one uptrend, you see, you also have chance to get this shoot up share, and you will be more safe, okay? Because it's uptrend and with a lot of banker tips inside, which is very important for you to take for reference. Okay, very stable one, right? Very stable one. And also, you say that sometimes the bottom catch, the bottom area is faster. Okay, here tells you you can also find the one. Always make sure the bottom share is in safe uptrend. And second thing, make sure they are bankers enter and better increasing. So this share, this tech fast. Here also shoot up. How bankers and the kindly increase. Why only a wave finish? Because later bankers haven't break up. Recently, bankers push up again, 2 days 47% because bankers increase. Currently, 3 days shoot up of post only 39%, but the bankers haven't shoot up, only few, right? 9% is very small. So you just regard it as a very small, can say trap or can say small chance currently. Before we can break up the white line, before the banker chips can really push it up, it's just very short term. Okay, next one, you see this share is also last. You see last recent 2 days, you see 3 days 60%, also very strong rally in uptrend, also in uptrend, and with banker chips more than 90%, also very safe one, right? You see this share is more safe for you, right? And here before 3 days have 43%, also with banker chips inside, right? So if you say I want to make fast money, okay, this share no problem. You see, this one of our member 2 days are 51% sold already, because he used software already sold in mini chart here already, right? Because have sell points, 51% enough already, right? Few software is come out already. Okay, if you say, oh, I don't like this share. If you trade long term, also no problem. Long term also can make profit. You see, 85% already, right? 85% already. So he lay out earlier in this area when the price break up the white line. When the price break up the white line, also have a little bit shoot up, but he can tolerate the long sideways because he's long term, right? He's long term. So make sure you know your trading style is very important. Know yourself is more important to trade this share, okay? Because the stock market is a place to reflect this human nature, okay? So it's very important for us to know ourselves clearly. Okay, this is one. This way, make sure you know better. And also this is analysis for today's sharing. And also this is a principle for you for reference as investor. Always take look their index first. Okay, make sure you're in the right direction. Now the index in sideways, so do more homework in the individual shares if you want to trade. Okay, and then remember, analyze from long term first and short term next, and then you know better what kind of share style of yourself, and then uh, make the right strategy, and then buy the valuable shares or the shares you are familiar with. Okay, it is very important. And if you want to know more details of the whole system of Homely, here is a very good course for you. This weekend at October 24th, we have a Mandarin version and English version class. Tell you the trading system that can handle in the volatile market 应对震荡行情的走势的最佳交易方案 is the strategic lecture Miss Demi and Lisa are conducted by for us. So will help us sort out from all of the news, the election, the epidemic, and all the financial reports, sort out from all the news, and then find out what happened next and what it worth for us to pay attention to, which is very important. You can just WhatsApp English or 华语版 to 011-1652-7962 to subscribe the course for free. We have opened 50 free seats to non-member. Member no need to register. You can attend for free, no problem. So just WhatsApp English or 华语版 to 011-1652-7962. Okay. So this is a very good course for you, very good course for you. And of course, if you want to analysis other share of yours and want to attend Homily's other preview class and want to attend my trading day live diagnosis and Facebook platform, you can also WhatsApp me 011-1652-7962. Okay, 7962. And of course, if you want to update this stock, you can also leave for the comment below the video. Maybe I have missed something out of for this post Malaysia. You can just leave the comment to share with other investors here. Okay, so thank you very much. And also very important thing, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the bell so that you can receive the notification of this channel of this one. Okay, and of course I analyze this share is not for recommending the share, it's purely for sharing. And everyone please remember, before you make a decision to buy or sell, independent thinking is very important for you. Okay, let's do rational investment instead of gambling. Okay, so thanks for watching today's video, and if you want to listen more counters analysis, don't forget to subscribe and then turn on the bell. And also, if you can benefit a little bit from today's video, you give me a like and then share this video out. Okay, thank you very much, and thank you for watching. Hope you can stay healthy and stay profitably and also stay happy. Okay, see you next time. Bye for now.